Omar Alexander Cardenas. He is accused of murder. The date was August 15, 2019. The location was Sylmar, California. A shopping center turned crime scene. Prosecutors allege he fired several rounds. A man was struck in the head. The victim died there. Local charges followed in 2020. A federal warrant came in 2021. The crime ties to gang activity. Cardenas allegedly belonged to a gang. He allegedly fled prosecution. The FBI offers a reward. Up to $250,000 for information. He may wear prescription glasses. He may have a beard. He should be considered dangerous. If you know anything, call the FBI. You can also submit tips online. Family and community deserve justice. The case remains open today. Alejandro Rosales Castillo. He is wanted for murder. The year was 2016. Charlotte, North Carolina was the setting. The victim was a former co-worker. Her vehicle surfaced in Phoenix later. Her body was found in Cabarrus County. A gunshot wound ended her life. Castillo crossed into Mexico that week. Border cameras recorded the crossing. He allegedly fled with an accomplice. He may be in Aguascalientes. He may move through other states. He speaks English and Spanish. The reward can reach $250,000. He should be considered extremely dangerous. Officials want safe tips, not risks. Loved ones still wait for answers. Authorities stress public vigilance. If seen, do not approach him. Contact the FBI immediately. Wilver Villegas Palomino. He is tied to narco-terror charges. Agents say he ranks within the ELN. That is a Colombian insurgent group. He allegedly helps run a war front. The region is Catatumbo. Operations span Colombia and Venezuela. Charges include international cocaine crimes. And narco-terrorism counts as well. A U.S. warrant dates to 2020. He was added in 2023. The State Department posted a reward. Up to $5 million for tips. Investigators warn he is armed. And extremely dangerous in the field. This case blends crime and insurgency. It fuels regional violence and suffering. Communities bear the deadly fallout. If you have information, report it. Use official channels for safety. The Houston field office leads efforts. Bhadresh Kumar Shitambai Patel. He is accused of killing his wife. The date was April 12, 2015. The location was Hanover, Maryland. They both worked at a donut shop. She died from multiple strikes. Police issued state charges first. A federal warrant followed days later. Investigators believe he fled afterward. He was added in 2017. A reward can reach $250,000. He should be considered extremely dangerous. His last known area was Newark. Families remember the victim's life. She had dreams and plans. Those were taken that night. This story centers human loss. If you know anything, speak up. Submit verified tips to the FBI. Justice can take time. But these cases do move. Ryan James Wedding. He is a former Olympian. The sport was snowboarding. Agents allege a drug empire. They say hundreds of kilograms moved. Cocaine across borders month after month. They also allege ordered murders. These were tied to the enterprise. He faces severe federal counts. Conspiracy and murders are listed. A federal warrant issued in 2024. He was added in 2025. The reward can reach $10 million. That is a rare figure. Authorities think he may be in Mexico. He uses several aliases. He is considered armed and dangerous. International partners are watching. Transnational cartels fuel overdose deaths. Communities suffer the fallout. If you know more, tell agents. Ruja Ignatova. They call her the crypto queen. Her company was OneCoin. It was marketed like Bitcoin's killer. Prosecutors say it was massive fraud. They allege billions were stolen. Victims span many countries. Promises masked a fake token. Money flowed through wire transfers. She led the scheme until 2017. She then flew from Sofia to Athens. Her trail went dark after that. She holds multiple passports. She may have altered appearance. The reward is up to $5 million. She remains a global target. Many victims lost life savings. Their stories still haunt forums. If you have leads, report safely. Never try to confront her. Use official tip channels only. Yulana Done Archaga Carrillas. He is tied to MS-13 leadership. Agents say he led in Honduras. They cite RICO and gun charges. And cocaine import conspiracy too. The FBI added him in 2021. The U.S. offers up to $5 million. He allegedly financed gang activity. Guns, cash, narcotics, and logistics support. Killings are alleged in filings. Rivals and others were targeted. The case uses a task force. The name is Joint Task Force Vulcan. This fight spans borders and years. It aims to curb transnational violence. He is extremely dangerous. Public tips must stay cautious. Authorities accept WhatsApp and email leads. They coordinate with DEA and HSI. Each day matters for victims. Families seek justice and safety. Fausto Isidro Meza Flores. His nickname is Chapo Isidro. He allegedly runs a TCO, a transnational criminal organization, based in Sinaloa, Mexico. Agents claim multi-drug trafficking roles. Cocaine, meth, heroin, and marijuana. Large volumes bound for the U.S. Firearms offenses are also listed. He was added in 2025. The State Department posted $5 million. He is believed to be in Mexico. Cartels devastate communities and families. Fentanyl deaths echo that harm. Investigations need careful coordination and long-term partner support. If you have verifiable details, report. Do not attempt a citizen arrest. Keep yourself safe and anonymous. Use official reporting channels only. Cindy Rodriguez Singh. She is accused of capital murder. The victim was her young son. He was only 6. A welfare check triggered the case. Concerns dated back months. Officials say she lied to police. She said he was in Mexico. Investigators found that was false. Days later, she flew to India. The child was not with them. A state capital charge followed. A federal warrant then issued. She was later located in India. Authorities say she was returned. The FBI still lists her entry. The reward mentions $250,000. She is a flight risk, they note. This case is heartbreaking. The victim deserves dignity here. Report tips only through official lines. Giovanni Vicente Mosquera Serrano. He is linked to Tren de Aragua. That gang spans many countries. The U.S. labeled it a terrorist group. Agents allege cocaine distribution roles. An alleged support to terrorism. He is a senior leader, they say. A federal warrant exists in Texas. He was added in July 2025. The reward can reach $3 million. His aliases include Al Viejo. The case is part of Vulcan. That is the same interagency effort. The gang runs multiple rackets. Drugs, weapons, and human trafficking. Communities face brutal violence. Victims include migrants and locals. He is considered armed and dangerous. Do not engage him ever. Provide tips through secure channels. Every detail can help investigators. The list holds up to 10 names. Slots change after captures. Rewards vary by case scope. The program began in 1950. Public tips have solved many cases. The Bureau updates pages as needed. Always check the official site. Never rely on rumors or edits. Thank you for watching. We honor victims and families. Please avoid speculation online. Do not harass possible lookalikes. If you have credible information, report it. Go to tips.fbi.gov or your local office. Never attempt a confrontation. Your safety comes first. Citations and sources sit below. Stay informed. Stay careful. And take care of each other.